Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the battery draining and the screen on time estimation on this Oneplus Nord 2 device. So I'll try to show you all the statistics, friends, what I gathered from yesterday's one day of testing. I'm trying to say this is just a one day. I do know based on one day results we cannot judge your phone, but still few of the users, they are eagerly waiting for the battery draining results and how much screen on time we can actually expect in this Oneplus Nord 2. That is the reason I'm trying to make a video based upon those comments only. And again, I'll try to update you guys, so don't worry. For every 1 week or maybe after 10 days, I'll try to come back with another battery draining test results. So make sure to stay tuned by subscribing and follow me regularly. So first thing is that how much battery will be draining in the Oneplus Nord 2 device overnight. So if you try to leave the phone before sleeping and after waking up, I did take the screenshot before and after. Let me try to exactly show you, friends, how much battery will be draining during this time of testing. I took the screenshots as well. That is what I'm going to show you exactly. So this is the night time when I think I did sleep around close to 1:30 and 2 o'clock after finishing all the videos and uploading. But I took the screenshot of this phone. So around 12:41, as you can see, around 12:41 night time. And the battery percentage went up to, I think, was a 45% during that time. So around 12:41 and 45%. And the estimated screen on time I got for the 1 day of usage during this time, 3 hours and 51 minutes. So this screen on time I got doing multiple testings, intense kind of testings like benchmarks, Antutu benchmark, CPU throttling, and Geek benchmark, and doing the Battlegrounds mobile gameplay review. All those kind of reviews I did during this time of 3 hours and 51 minutes. Display review, and plenty of, you did see all the videos I did upload on this Oneplus Nord 2. That's the one thing. And maybe screen on time you can expect up to close to, I think, based upon my intense usage, if you try to use average, maybe it comes up to close to 6 to 7 hours. You can definitely maintain the screen on time in the Oneplus Nord 2 easily. That is what my expectations are. This is my initial impression only, friends. I cannot guarantee, but I can just give you the quick idea what is going on with the screen on time. And in the morning, after waking up in the morning, the battery dropped to 42%. So from night 45 to 42, overall 3% got dropped during this time of testing, as you can see, from 45 to 42. So during this time of 7 hours, so for 7 hours, 3% of the battery got dropped, and you can see the screen on time, 3 hours 51 minutes and 3 hours 53 minutes. So maybe during that time I did see notifications if I get any kind of messages or not, but I did not use much of the phone during this time. That is the reason I'm trying to show you exactly the proof as well, the screen on time. So overnight battery draining is not that bad when considering this kind of results. So for every 10 hours, the battery may drain close to 4 to 6% kind of thing. That might be the average. I'm expecting maybe in the middle of 5% average. So that is the battery draining results about this Oneplus Nord 2 device. So this is a quick battery draining expectations on this Oneplus Nord 2. Overall, you may get the screen on time up to, I think, 6 to 7 hours of screen on time in this kind of middle range, and you'll get the battery draining can happen overnight, maybe close to 4 to 6% of the battery draining depending upon how many hours you do sleep. But for 7 hours, 3% got dropped in my mobile phone. That's the one statistics which I can definitely say that. And in case if you want me to do any other battery draining episodes, so make sure to let me know in the comment section below. And meanwhile, don't forget to follow the playlist which I have created for the Oneplus Nord 2. This playlist will give you the clear idea of what is happening with the phone, and you can decide whether to buy this phone or not. That is my main point of creating the playlist. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and stay tuned, and very soon I'll try to do the Battlegrounds mobile gameplay, battery draining test as well. So make sure to stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.